In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lagging issues in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're experiencing some kind of lag, there's basically three different solutions that you can go and apply. Now, the first thing is just to come up to Playback in the top navigation, click on Timeline Playback Resolution, and you want to set this to quarter. Now, this is going to reduce the quality in the playback window, making it much smoother when you play back your videos. And don't worry, this won't affect the quality when you go to export your video. This is simply the preview. Now, the next thing you need to do is optimize your media footage. You can do that by coming over to the media library and right-clicking on your media file, and then just selecting Generate Optimized Media. And once you've done that, the last solution is to come up to File in the top navigation, click on Project Settings, and you need to make sure that these settings here match your video footage settings. So for example, if you filmed your video in 920 by 1080, you need to make sure this option here is also set to 920 by 1080, and you also need to do the same for the frame rate as well. And once you follow these steps, that should have now fixed any lag in DaVinci Resolve. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.